Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned for this look. For this video, I'll be using two of my favorite staples, Miles Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner with the Melanin Multi-Use Oil Blend. To set my hair, I'll be using the Shea Moisture Mousse. I've already applied the leave-in conditioner and the oil to this entire section. So right now I'm just separating the hair into smaller sections. Then I'm going to put in a little bit of mousse, then detangle the hair, and then follow it up with the roller. So guys, I'm going to slow down this part for you a little bit so you can see exactly how I apply the roller. Right now I'm twisting my roots to keep the puffiness down a little bit, and then I'm going to take the roller, then wrap the hair around the roller tightly. Try to keep it to the roots, as close to the roots as possible. But as you can see, I was having a little bit of trouble putting it on the first time because it's a little bit tricky. But once you get the hang of it, then it gets easier. So again, just taking the hair and just simply wrapping it around the roller, and then you just flip the little top and close it, and that's pretty much to it. It's pretty simple. So guys, it's the next day, and I'm going to tell you some positive and negative sides to the rollers. Positive is they're very comfortable to sleep on. Curls, they did a good job at curling my hair, but they're not my favorite, but still they got the job done, I guess. A negative is they tend to unravel and loosen up at the roots if you're doing activities and stuff that requires lots of movement. But aside from that, everything came out great. Another thing I didn't like so much is that they took forever to dry, guys. As you can see, I had at least three pieces of hair that wasn't fully dried, even though I dried them overnight, and then I did 1 hour under the dryer before I took them down. Still wasn't enough, but I guess they got the job done. No, I can't complain. They're not my favorite rollers, you know, but if you want something to curl your hair and overnight that's comfortable to sleep on, I guess, you know, you could try them. Tonight, I'd lie for you, baby, honestly. Honestly. parts are not really necessary, but I'm just showing you what else you can do to the hair to jazz it up. Right now I'm using bobby pins to style the side of the hair. That's like one look you can go for, or as you will see, I'm going to add a scarf. That can also be another style. But yeah, that's pretty much the final look, guys. It's not bad. It came out better than I expected. The rollers were pretty great, pretty fun to use. They're not my favorite rollers, but they get the job done, I can say. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and just let me know what you think about the video. And if you guys want to see anything else, just let me know in the comments below and I'll get them done. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
You got it right this time, nothing is out.